food lovers! Today, I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate pesto and egg grilled cheese, and we're doing it all in just 2 minutes. Let's get started. First things first, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 slices of your favorite bread, a couple of tablespoons of pesto, 1 egg, a handful of shredded mozzarella cheese, and some butter. Got it all? Great! Alright, let's heat up a non-stick skillet over medium heat. While that's warming up, butter one side of each bread slice. Then spread a generous layer of pesto on the unbuttered side. Now it's egg time. Crack your egg into the skillet and cook it sunny side up. You want that yolk nice and runny. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper. While the egg is cooking, place 1 slice of bread buttered side down in another skillet over medium heat. Sprinkle a healthy amount of shredded mozzarella on top. Then carefully place your sunny side up egg right over the cheese. Add a bit more mozzarella on top of the egg, because why not? Cheese is life. Top it off with a second slice of bread, buttered side up. Now grill it for about 2-3 minutes on each side until the bread is golden and crispy, and the cheese is melted to perfection. Pro tip, press down gently with a spatula to help everything melt together. Alright, it's done. Time to slice it in half and watch that glorious egg yolk ooze out. Just look at that, folks. Gooey, cheesy pesto goodness. And there you have it, a mouth-watering pesto and egg grilled cheese made in no time. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, or a midnight snack. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!